a snap with a felt enclosure. This is made of really good felt. See the stitching all around? Back. Okay. Here are the felt pieces attached to the page. We have kitchen appliances. We have fruit and vegetables. There's more food category. Barbecue party. We have a basket. We have a grill. We have more food. Frying pan. Cutting board. Refrigerator opens. The freezer opens. Then we have a cooking puzzle. There's the felt pieces. There's the puzzle board. We have some fruit. And these fruit, it comes in half so that they can match them. Then we have kitchen storage. So they can match. Here's one with a button. I'm sorry. A button and a snap. And then the back of it tells you the ABCs, and then you have a little closure here to keep it closed. There you have it.